Menstrual cups. Menstrual cup are a type of reusable feminine hygiene product designed to collect menstrual blood during menstruation. They are often made of medical-grade silicone or latex rubber and are shaped like a bell with a stem. Insertion. Menstrual cups are inserted into the vagina to collect menstrual blood. They create a seal against the vaginal walls, preventing leakage. They can be worn for up to 12 hours, depending on the cup and the individual's flow. Removal. To remove the cup, wash your hands and find a comfortable position, such as squatting or sitting on the toilet. Insert your fingers into the vagina and locate the base of the cup. Pinch the base to release the seal and gently pull the cup out. Collection. Once the cup is properly inserted, it collects menstrual blood inside. The cup can hold more fluid than pads or tampons, so it usually needs to be emptied less frequently. However, the frequency of emptying may vary depending on your flow. Benefits. Menstrual cups have several advantages. They can hold more menstrual fluid than tampons or pads, reducing the need for frequent changes. They are also leak-resistant when properly inserted and can be worn during various physical activities, including swimming and exercising. Reusability. Menstruation cups are reusable and can last for several years with proper care, making them a more environmentally friendly option compared to disposable pads or tampons. Cleaning and maintenance. Menstrual cups should be emptied, rinsed, and washed with mild soap and water between uses. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and maintenance to ensure proper hygiene. Size and fit. Menstrual cups come in various sizes and shapes to accommodate different anatomies and flow levels. If you have specific concerns or questions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for guidance. It may be helpful to consult the manufacturer's guidelines or speak with a healthcare professional to determine the best fit for you. Availability. Menstrual cups are available in many countries both online and in stores. There are numerous brands and models to choose from, so it's essential to research and read reviews to find a reliable and reputable option. Seek healthcare advice. Remember, while menstrual cups can be a suitable option for many individuals, personal preferences and comfort levels may vary. If you have specific concerns or questions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for guidance.